Greetings and welcome to my channel. This is Shanique and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious mango smoothie using the coconut milk I used in my previous video. If you haven't watched that, please go and check it out right away. I will leave the link below. Look at these beautiful mangoes. They're the main ingredient in this delicious smoothie. So first I had to wash them off. We're going to peel them. I'm going to use a total of 4 mangoes to make this mix. The next step is to slice up the mangoes. It doesn't have to be in big chunks or anything because the blender will get it nice and smooth. Now we're going to add up our mix. Now we're going to put the mango inside of the blender pitcher. We're going to add our coconut milk and we're going to put some Kreative Vegan Seamoss Gel. That's made by me, of course. I'll put the details in the description below. Now I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Seamoss Gel. Nice and thick, right? Coriander, we're just going to add like a dash of that. And if I want to come out, I have to shake it hard. Some ground cinnamon, about a half of a teaspoon. Some nutmeg, about a half a teaspoon also. Some pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Agave syrup. Now you could sweeten to your likeness. If you want it sweet, you add a little bit more. If not, add less. Now we're going to blend this up. Look how nice and smooth that is. You could drink it just like this, but I decided to add a little bit of coconut chips and some goji berries. If you prefer a thinner smoothie, you could add less mangoes or add more coconut milk. Now I'm going to top this one off with some pumpkin seeds, hemp seed, a little bit more goji berries, and coconut chips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscription button and subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified whenever I come on to drop a new delicious and nutritious video. Thank you all for watching. Leave a comment below to tell me if you would actually make this recipe because it is delicious. I wish you could taste it with me. Have a blessed day.